Croeso and all, welcome back. Scarlets versus the Barbarians. How will the match unfold? What do you reckon? Let's find out.
Yeah, great occasion. I thought it was a good crowd here. It wasn't a real typical Barbarians game, to be honest with you. You know, we scored some nice tries, and I thought the other side of the ball, defensively, I thought we were at it. You know, we really got after them. Were physical, and you know, didn't allow the Barbarians to play really. You know, I think sometimes a crowd like that as well. So it was good for us in that respect.
To be fair, the Barbarians, you know what they're going to bring in regards to offloading, playing from anywhere, and they did bring that. And at times it was hard to contain, which, you know, I thought at times we dealt with well. Sometimes obviously we'll look back at and learn from and get better at, but as a whole I think we can be proud and pleased to come away with a win there.
Dyna ni te, there we go. Then the first game back ended in victory for the Scarlets, beating the Barbarians 33-19. Can't wait to see you back for the next home game right here on the 6th of October where we take on the Dragons. See you there.